Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kadang ap mentai kejing bentip na Delhi, halor kejing temu banwan yu okjat, u Menteri Korbari ka Sarkar Pedang u Amit Shah, hasilong ha ubnai banwan. Yagne le pentip da u Menteri Rangba kejela Meghalaya u Konrad Kongkal Sangma, habai keren beginong patai kubor ha ka arp praterik ubnai jeliu. Habai thuru ba ka Sarkar jela kelas yu asngo, ya kejing manjung u Amit Shah. Haba u Menteri Rangbadu Kari lani u Menteri Korbari Iwan Shah jela Meghalaya. Kijuyo agajing pentip na ki office jongki. Hendrey ke bamenta u Menteri Rangba ke jela Meghalaya ulong ba ompat yo jeng tip AA halor kania. Bat menta kidang ap ya kania. Haba keli u Menteri Rangba ulong ba kejingelang jong baro ki Menteri Rangba jong ki jelak tan stelam mingi kan salong ha kanong ba aslong ha kesnem banwan. Hagani kejingelang onedon langru ki Chief Secretary bat ki Director General ki Pulit na baro ki jela jong kathan. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip bahag ni kejingelang kan don kejinge keren haki babun ki kambe dai bat kathan stelam mingi bagentup na do ki kampenroy ki an ki kanun ki jaka kappuat bat ki wei pat kiri ki kam kai klau bat kum jo ki kam kaja kappuat hapeng ki jela jong kan kathan.
Of course, we have unofficially heard that he's coming, but when the Home Minister of the country or the Prime Minister of the country comes, then we wait for the official communication from their office. So we have not received the official communication, the itinerary has not been received. So we're waiting for that. That's number one. Number two, that it could be. I don't think it will be possible for me to say what's going to happen, but all the chief ministers will be here. All the chief secretaries and all the DGPs will be here. So, of course, a lot of issues relating to Northeast will be discussed, development-oriented, law and order aspect, international boundary, insurgency, and obviously border issue also would be part of the discussion. But to say that it's going to start with that or how it's going to move forward is difficult to say right now.